Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download a playlist from YouTube. All you need to have a software which is called YTD Video Downloader. You can download it from their site which is ytddownloader.com. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it. Let me run it. So this is the software. This is its interface. Now I want to download a playlist from this YouTube channel, which is the New Boston. Click on playlists and go to that playlist which you want to download. Okay, so I want to download all the videos from this playlist, but to download one by one, it is time consuming and boring. Now I want all of these videos to be downloaded to my computer. I just copy the URL of this playlist and paste it here. Now this is the download quality. It gives me the options to download it in many qualities like 144p to 1080p. So for demonstration, I'm downloading it in 480p standard. Also, you can convert the videos to many formats, but I'm not interested. And it also gives you the option to save videos to a particular folder. Okay, so now click on download and click yes, because I want the whole list. As you can see, it grabbed all the videos, which is 16, and now it will download the first 3. After completing all the videos, after completing the first 3, it will start the other 3 and the list will continue until it finishes all the videos. So if you are interested in downloading a whole playlist, try this software, and I'm more than sure that you guys will love it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.